Hello, fifth graders. Miss Mahelko here, plus my 6-hour sixth grade orchestra. They're behind the computer right now, so you can't see them, but they're here. They're going to play along with us, and they're going to help me teach you how to play your part for Ode to Joy. We're going to be playing Ode to Joy as a whole group at our concert, 5th grade, 6th grade, 7th grade, 8th grade. And I've written out a part for you guys that's really easy to play, pretty much almost all open strings, and we're going to learn it real quick right now. So, there are 4 lines to this piece of music. The first line, the third line, and the fourth line are almost completely the same, except for the last 2 notes. The third line is the only one that's different. So we're going to learn line 1 first, then 2 and 4, and then 3. So line 1. Through this whole thing, you guys are playing every other beat. You're playing play, rest, play, rest, play, rest, play. That's going the whole time. The rest of the kids, they're playing every beat. So you have to make sure that you're waiting during that rest. So line 1, we have D, rest, D, rest, D, D, rest, D, rest, A, rest, D, rest, A. So let's try that. Instruments up, plucking fingers ready. 1, 2, here we go. D, rest, D, rest, D, rest. Here comes the A, rest, rest, rest. Stop right there. Very good. Let's try that one more time. 1, 2, ready, go. Rest, rest. Don't go too fast. Here's the A. Rest. Rest. Stop right there. Beautiful. Easy peasy, yes? So now look at line 2. Pretty much the same thing, except we end with G and F. So let's try that. Play G and F for me. G, 3 fingers for violins, violas, 4 for cellos. Open for bass, playing just those last 2 notes. G and F. Ready, go. G, rest, F, rest. Good. Now let's play the whole line 2. Ready? 1, 2, here we go. D, rest, D, rest, D, rest, rest. D, here's A. Get G ready. Rest. Beautiful. Make sure that second finger is nice and high for F sharp. Let's do that line 2 one more time. 1, 2, ready, go. Rest. Rest. Don't go too fast. Here it comes. A, G, F. Beautiful. Make sure that F sharp is nice and high. Now let's put those 2 lines together. We're playing line 1 and then going straight into line 2. Got it? 1, 2, here we go. D, rest, D, rest, D, rest, D, rest, D. Here's A. Rest. Line 2. Rest. 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 Here it is. G. Rest. Beautiful. Fantastic. Now, line 3, the pattern changes. We start with A. A, rest, D, rest, A, rest, D, rest, A, rest, D, rest, D, rest, E, first finger. Let's try it. Line 3. Ready? 1, 2, here we go. A, rest, 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 rest. D again. First finger. There we go. Do that again. 1, 2, here we go. Rest, 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 and there we go. Now, let's look at the last line. It's the same as which line, guys? 2. It's the same as the second one. Fourth one's the same. Let's do it. 1, 2, here we go. D, rest, 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 rest. Here's A and Beautiful. So now let's play line 3 and line 4 together. What note are we starting with? A. Beautiful. 1, 2, here we go. Rest, 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 rest. And next line. There we go. Now, while you're playing that, the rest of the students are playing this. They're playing Ode to Joy, okay? So what we're going to do right now, I'm going to play the Ode to Joy melody. The 6th graders are going to play the 5th grade part. Got it? Here we go, going all the way through. You're playing the pizzicato part, the 5th grade part. I'm playing the 6th grade part. Ready? 1, 2, here we go. Wait for me. There you go. Now we're going to switch. They're going to play Ode to Joy with the bow, the 6th grade part, and I'm going to pluck the 5th grade part. Ready? Here we go. 1, 2, ready, and... There you go. Now feel free to go back to any part of this video and do it again. Whichever part you made a mistake at, just repeat it and try again. Okay? Good luck, and I'll see you guys for the concert.